Hello friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale from octoxii School of Shoemaking and Craft, where we take non-techie how to improve their craft. In this video today, I will be showing you the making of this project. This project was made by a lady in the workshop, and I will be showing you the making of it from A to Z. So like to see how this was made, then this filming is for you. This filming is recorded and it was fast played. So if you're not comfortable with the fast play, then I will advise you to go to the setting of the YouTube to reduce the rate, the speed, the play speed of while you're watching, so it's going to match up with the pace at which you want it to flow. Come with me to see the making of this right now. much for watching till this time. Hope you like what you've seen. As I said, this is quite easy. This was made in the workshop by a student in the workshop. So if you want to learn how to do this, you can connect to us on our platform in Lagos, Nigeria. Connect to us in there. If you're not available in Nigeria, then go to the link in there. There's a link in the description of this video that's going to navigate you to where you can take a full course on this project. This for me is credited to Moment, who was the one that make this project in there. So she was the one that make this in the workshop. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and then click on the notification bell for you to be notified on a subsequent upload on this platform. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and whatever you do, never stop learning.